what's up everyone? Joe B.I. TW, tell me how you doing in the comments below because those who want to know how you doing, how you feeling, tell me doing in the comments ever. And today, we're about to react to this new artist. Today, he dropped this 11 days ago, I'm a little late. But we got Train Tracks by Cashin Dallas. And yeah, all his social media, everything want to be linked, show him below, show him love and everything. And yeah, I hope I got the right lyrics because caption are not on here. But let me start talking. Let's see how you gonna do this video right now. Social media over here. Okay. Gonna be a hub top beat, you know. Summertime. Let's go. Volume. Okay. I just love how he's saying huh with the I don't know why. I just like the Huh? Did he just say the items I just sold? Like selling or like he sold? Catch me on the train tracks. They don't talk, but they backtrack. I don't think I missed that. And all the songs that you playing back that saying meet me on the train tracks and still don't talk, but they're backtrack. And I don't think I'm missing but or the songs that want to play back. They're saying catch me on the train track. They don't want to talk back on the tracks. Bro, they don't want to talk on the train track, but they want to go back on the train track. But they don't want to be on my whoa. But she don't want to be on the train track. So what? Now I'm running down the road and I'm spending all your money because it's all I can load. But now you the mode and but my agreement is like the flow and but I'm trying to design all the questions that you ask me in the soul. I'm feeling like the time is glowing and I'm cashing out these items, but I'm so bro, you check out all these items that I just sold. Bro, on the train track, what was going on? Was like the train coming? Were you having that moment on the train? Or the train just gonna ear and pass? Yo, back to the video. This man. Bro, these bro. Well, I feel like this is like a knowledge on song, bro. This is like bringing some 2000, 90, 85, 70, 60 together, type of vibe together, mixed together. Hold on, now I'm running fast, feeling like I'm Jimmy Neutron, cause I'm going to blast when I say I have the blast, and I didn't think it will be up at the end of the cash, and I apologize that I'm traveling overseas, now I'm singing out of the sick, and yeah, I'm singing on the track, and I'm singing on the track, and now I'm the dissing the sound in the back like I'm the song with the track. Never just let us laughing, now I'm just flying to Japan singing the song, and I'm just in the hand for my family and my friends. Bro, traveling just to make your family, people proud. You going overseas to just, bro, doesn't kill you now. Bro, this man just vibing to the song, bro. Bro. Huh? What? What? Bro, the beat in the jam, bro. Huh? Bro, I just like how you said chat. Huh? This is just a vibe. Huh? Hey? Bro, this song is just a vibe, bro. An anthem of a song for any season out there. So everyone, Catching Dallas, Train Track. I hope I pronounce his first name right, bro. First and last name right. So everyone in the comments, I'm gonna know how you feel because yo, I'm still gone. You still lost, and what's the sign? I'm still gone, bro. Same thing that said catch me on the train track. Everybody in the comments, I'm gonna know how you feel because bro, he did his thing, and the song that's playing back. And don't forget, the original video will be linked searching below, bro. The vibe in this song, the energy type of vibe in this, yo, show Bodie some love, bro. His channel and everything will be linked searching below, bro. On the train track. Boy, everybody, this is the end of the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, turn on that notification bell on to see more Catching Dallas video. Because I know I'm gonna upload more videos if you don't subscribe and turn on that bell. So do it if you want to. If you don't, I know I'm gonna upload more videos by him. But if you've been subscribed, you already know. But thanks for watching again. Follow your dreams and see you in the next Catching Dallas video. And I'm out. Peace.